The recent discussions between US Secretary of State Antony Blinken and Israeli officials, Defense Minister Yoav Gallant and War Cabinet Minister Benny Gantz revolved around a new hostage deal proposal. This proposal, unveiled by US President Joe Biden, aims to secure the release of hostages held by Hamas, enhance Israel's security, and pave the way for a future political settlement beneficial to both Israelis and Palestinians. In his conversations with Gallant and Gantz, Blinken expressed support for Israel's readiness to finalize the deal, emphasizing that it is now up to Hamas to accept the terms. He reaffirmed the United States' strong commitment to Israel's security and highlighted that implementing the deal would not only ensure the hostages' release but also contribute to long-term stability along Israel's border with Lebanon. The deal proposed by Israel, which Biden publicly endorsed, includes elements designed to eliminate Hamas's capacity to conduct further attacks, though it does not detail the mechanism for removing Hamas from power in Gaza. This aspect has been a point of contention within the Israeli government, which insists that military operations against Hamas will continue until the group is fully dismantled. Additionally, Gallant proposed creating humanitarian bubbles within Gaza, where Palestinians unaffiliated with Hamas or other terror groups would manage humanitarian aid distribution in designated neighborhoods. This plan was discussed in the Israeli War Cabinet as part of broader efforts to address the humanitarian situation in Gaza while maintaining pressure on Hamas. As the War Cabinet appears to continue to discuss the possibility of moving forward with negotiating the proposed deal, reassurances that Israel won't cease fighting until Hamas is destroyed from both Netanyahu and Gallant have done little to assuage concerns. Defense Minister Yoav Gallant said Sunday that Israel was working on finding a replacement for Hamas's rule in the Gaza Strip, vowing that the war will not end until the terror group is dismantled of both its military and governmental capabilities. Gallant's comments came after US President Joe Biden on Friday presented what he described as the latest Israeli proposal for a hostage deal and ceasefire to end the war in Gaza. The US President's address triggered shockwaves in the Israeli government, where far-right parties threatened to bring down the coalition if Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu tried to see it approved.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.